Automatic reply not working Outlook. Here's how you can easily fix this. Your first step would be to simply head over to the File menu, click on File here, click on Settings, and this is the Outlook on web. So once you're here, head over to Accounts and click on Automatic Replies. Make sure your automatic replies are actually enabled. Make sure the start time is enabled. That's when your replies are sent during the time period. If you're going with this option, make sure to cross check it, and also the enter the message that are meant to be entered here, and then send replies to only your contacts. So you could set up this option. This could be hindering your sending, so if it's turned on, you can turn it off if you want to be sending to other people. But if you just want to send only to your contacts, make sure it's turned on. And then once you're done, go ahead and save it. Now the next step is for the application version of Outlook. So let's say you own Outlook on your desktop. All you need to do now is simply search for Outlook. So search for Outlook on your desktop, go ahead and right click it, click on app settings. And then once the app setting opens up for the Outlook, simply scroll through, you find reset or repair and simply repair the application. So you can go about repairing it to fix up any issues that it might be presenting with the automatic replies. Now, if that doesn't work, you could also try opening up Microsoft Store. So open up the Microsoft Store on your desktop, go ahead and type in Outlook. So go ahead and type in Outlook on your computer, hit enter, and make sure you're using the latest version of Outlook for Windows. So we have that option here. Make sure you're using the latest version of Outlook for your Windows computer. That way you can avoid any issues. All right, guys.